Hello everyone, this is me, and today video I would like to show you how to record screen with Filmora X or Filmora version, any version, and everything you need to know about record screen with mouse click and camera. Okay, let's start. Okay, I have Filmora installed and I have put link in the description. You can download to test for free. Okay, in here it will open the Filmora video editing, so it's not for only for screen record, but basically video editing to video editing for especially for beginner or for advanced, also useful. They have bunch of media, audio and transition effect. Okay, to record we go to file and record media. So we have three options here: record from webcam. So we just click record from a webcam, and then you can choose the webcam that you record. In here I have Canon M50, so I can select it, or you use another microphone like Logitech one. I have link in the description. You can check out for more. And resolution, so it depends on your connection here and your microphone. We can choose an external microphone. So this is great for if you want to record with yourself and then edit it directly. So can you do that and select frame rate and pre-record, and you could record the video. Another option, go to file, media and screen. Okay, I will show you the last one, but here you can record voiceover, internal, and also input, audio input. So you can record or you can move the project. So let's go to record media from our screen. Here, really good for content creator or video tutorial. Create a video tutorial one. So it will open a new screen right here. Okay, right here. So the option, you can custom record. How big you are, you can drag and drop. Okay, or target window, if you have only this want to record or you want to record another. So let's use the full screen one. Okay, so I record everything from the screen, and in here we can select our speaker one that we want to hear and our external microphone right here. Okay, select my external microphone and another setting here for record. So the important is one of this is location. So sometimes you record go to dry C and then it full, so it's a big problem, and we should change to another drive, especially dry D, the drive that have more space. And frame rate, here you can choose 30 frames per second or more, depend on what you want to record, but here let's do 25, and then I will show you how the record testing. And the quality, if you have an old computer, you can do good or better, but if you have high performance one, choose the best one. And you can stop at a certain time, you can stop record. Don't want to keep it record all the time. Record over, for example, you record another training, take hour, and you don't want, you can stop record whenever. And come to interesting here, we can change our click right here. We'll see. Let's put right here and click sound. Okay, and pulse, you can change the hotkey here, just press it or start. Okay, another thing is if you want to record yourself and a webcam, just click here and then position where you want your webcams right there. So just position it. Okay, and then it will stay right there when you record. Okay, let's record this and see the result. Okay, right now we are starting 1, 2, 3. Okay, right now I'm record testing. When I click, And when I open the browser or close, open Excel spreadsheet right here, 2021. Okay, let's stop, just press F9. Okay, then stop record, and we got our media file right here to the program. Or we can just close this one. Okay, right now I'm record testing. When I click and when I okay, let's go to file and drive D, and here we got our video file. It's MP4, so really good. We can edit or modify any sound or edit with other software. 2, 3. Okay, right now I'm record testing. When I click and when I open the browser or close, open Excel spreadsheet right here, 2021. Okay, let's stop, just press F9. Okay, here everything you need to know about recording Filmora. So if you want another video tutorial with how to use Filmora, or you want to check out, or you can download to try in link in description. Okay, see you in the video.